Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to delete an interface in Airtable. Open the Airtable base that contains the interface you want to delete. You'll need creator permissions to do this. Once the base opens, you'll see your tables or current view. Click the Interfaces button at the top of your base. This switches you from the Data view to the Interfaces section, showing all the interfaces in this base. If the sidebar isn't visible on the left side, click the three horizontal bars icon, the hamburger menu. The sidebar expands and shows you a list of all the interfaces in the base. If it's already open, skip this step. Find the interface you want to delete in the sidebar. Next to its name, you'll see a three-dot icon. Click that icon and a drop-down menu appears with several options, including Delete. Click Delete from the drop-down. A confirmation dialog pops up asking you to confirm the deletion. Click Delete again in that dialog to confirm. The interface is permanently removed from your base and disappears from the sidebar. Here are a few things to keep in mind. This deletion is permanent, there's no undo. If the interface was shared with other team members, they'll no longer see it in their workspace. Also, if you had any automations or integrations connected to that interface, check those after deleting and adjust them as needed. That's how you delete an interface in Airtable.